Here is another Amazon ad campaigns update. As of right now, I'm still currently sick and dealing with COVID, so that's why I sound super weird right now. So this is going to be a very quick video, but I feel like my ads are starting to get a little too out of hand for me, and my ACOS has gone up. So my ACOS right now is 44.14%. I've spent more money definitely than I've earned, and I'm not happy with them. So I'm going to go ahead and tone some of these ads down. I feel like they've run enough where I know what I want to continue and not. So I'm turning off my all books, and I'm going to be turning off this coupon book because it just keeps getting clicks and like nothing. And I have this in another campaign and it's the same thing. Personal book and then lottery ad 3. So I went in before and I like turned off certain books, and I think I may have adjusted some bids and everything, but I'm kind of at the point where I'm just gonna narrow it down to like 1 or 2 ads. So we're gonna start with 2 and just pause those for now. So right now I still only have 1 sale, and yeah, we're kind of just going with it. I finally got uploaded some Christmas Santa theme books, but they just published, so I'm not gonna run ads for them because Christmas is very, very soon. And they just published, so everything's not even loaded yet, but I'm going to shut all those off and just run these 2 and kind of see how it goes. Hopefully we get some more sales. Sorry for the coughing. I mean, I can't really help it, so I don't know why I'm sorry, but lottery ad 1 are planners for 2023, and then lottery ad 2 are like scrapbook paper, so we'll see what happens with that, but I just want to hop in here and give a quick update. So I know this video is really short, but as you can tell from my voice, I'm still not feeling the best right now. So I really hope this is helpful, and thank you so much for watching and listening. I hope that you have a great day.